Kumbh Mela is a pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism. It is a religious gathering. For devout Hindus, Kumbh Mela is more than a festival. It is a journey toward spiritual enlightenment and a way to cleanse the soul of sins. Many believe that taking a dip in the holy waters during Kumbh Mela erases all sins and brings them closer to salvation or moksha. The event can be considered to be the largest confluence of souls, which brings together monks, saints, pilgrims, and tourists from around the world, who all come to be part of this sacred ritual and embrace India's rich cultural and spiritual traditions. Kumbh Mahasangam, a confluence of astha, faith, parampara, culture, and adhyatma, spirituality. It is a journey starting from bhakti, devotion, to moksha, liberation. The story of Kumbh Mela finds its origins in Hindu mythology. According to the Puranas, the gods and demons once churned the ocean, Samudra Manthan, to obtain Amrit, the nectar of immortality. During this cosmic churning, a few drops of Amrit fell at 4 places along the rivers, which later became the holy cities of Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nashik, and Ujjain. These drops sanctified these locations, and Kumbh Mela celebrates this mythological event at each of these sites in a rotating cycle. Kumbh is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years. To celebrate every revolution Brihaspati or Jupiter completes. Kumbh is mainly held at 4 riverside pilgrimage sites, namely Prayagraj, confluence of rivers Ganga, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati, Haridwar, Ganga, Nashik, Godavari, and Ujjain, Shipra. Astrologers observe the movement of celestial bodies to determine the date and year of the Kumbh Mela. For each site's celebration dates are calculated in advance according to a special combination of zodiacal positions of Jupiter, Brihaspati, the Sun, Surya, and the Moon, Chandra. The word Kumbh literally means pitcher, jar, or pot in Sanskrit. It is found in the Vedic texts. The word Mela means unite, join, meet, move together, assemble, junction in Sanskrit, particularly in the context of fairs, community celebration. This word too is found in the Rig Veda and other ancient Hindu texts. Thus, Kumbh Mela means an assembly, meet, union around water or nectar of immortality. The festival is marked by a ritual dip in the waters, but it is also a celebration of community commerce with numerous fairs, educational and religious discourses by saints, mass gatherings of monks, and entertainment. The seekers believe that bathing in these rivers is a means to prashchitta, penance, or restorative action for past mistakes, and that it cleanses them of their sins. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica and Indian authorities, more than 200 million Hindus gathered for the Kumbh Mela in 2019, including 50 million on the festival's most crowded day. The festival is one of the largest peaceful gatherings in the world and considered as the world's largest congregation of religious pilgrims. It has been inscribed on the UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The festival is observed over many days, with the day of Amavasya, new moon, attracting the largest number on a single day. The Kumbh Mela authorities said that the largest one-day attendance at the Kumbh Mela was 30 million on 10th of February 2013 and 50 million on 4th February 2019. It is recorded as the date Kumbh Mela witnessed the largest public gathering of Hindus ever recorded. Kumbh Mela can be classified into three categories. The Purna Kumbh, also called Full Kumbh, which occurs every 12 years at a given site. The Ardha Kumbh or Half Kumbh, which occurs approximately every 6 years between the two Purna Kumbh at Prayagraj and Haridwar, and the Maha Kumbh, which occurs every 144 years. The year 2025 will witness the Maha Kumbh at Prayagraj after 2013, as it witnessed Purna Kumbh and Ardha Kumbh in 2019 respectively. It will be a special one as the Maha Kumbh, which occurs every 12 Purna Kumbha Melas, that is after every 144 years. The Maha Kumbha Mela 2025 set to take place in Prayagraj, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India from January 13th, 2025 to February 26th, 2025. It will just not be a religious gathering, but a full-fledged cultural experience, with millions of devotees expected to arrive for the event. Prayagraj will witness a confluence of spirituality, history and culture. The primary focus of the Kumbh Mela is the sacred rituals at Triveni Sangam. Few key dates for the Sahi Snan of the iconic festival: 13th January 2025 Paush Purnima, 14th January 2025 Makar Sankranti, 29th January 2025 Mauni Amavasya, 3rd February 2025 Basant Panchami, 12th February 2025 Maghi Purnima and 26th February 2025 Maha Shivaratri.